Jennifer? How are you feeling? Jennifer? How are you feeling?
I need help. I need my cell phone. I need help. I need my cell phone.
Who do you need to call?
Why?
Who do you need to call?
Why?
Jennifer, do you know a man named Dean Erickson? Jennifer, do you know a man named Dean Erickson? Dean Erickson, you know him?
Dean? No, I don't.
No. Dean Erickson, you know him?
Dean? No, I don't.
No.
He's coming.
Who?
Just you wait. He's coming.
Who?
Just you wait.
Tell me who you are. Tell me. Tell me who you are. Tell me.
I got nothing to say. I got nothing to say.
Stop talking! Stop! Stop talking! Stop!
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
I'm never letting you go. I'm never letting you go. You want to beat me? You want to beat me? This is your life now, Jennifer. This is your life now, Jennifer.
See you back at the place?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. See you back at the place?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
What happened? What happened?
I don't like you. I don't like you. Don't underestimate me.
Who are you?
A dangerous man. Don't underestimate me.
Who are you?
A dangerous man. He stole something from me. He stole something from me. You recognize that woman, Marla? You recognize that woman, Marla? I will destroy her. I will destroy her. I don't like being angry. I much prefer to be calm. I don't like being angry. I much prefer to be calm. Do you know who I am?
No, but I think I can guess.
Do you know who I am?
No, but I think I can guess.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
I'm actually a little early. I'm actually a little early. You'll never see me again. You'll never see me again.